Good evening. Well, we're starting to see an improvement in the weather now after such a windy spell and quite a wet one at that as well. But high pressure is now starting to push up from the south. So it's giving us a slightly colder night out there tonight. Just a tiny little bit of fair weather cloud around. Could be a little bit of mist first thing tomorrow morning too, as the temperatures drop down to around 7 Celsius into the early hours. And first thing tomorrow morning, any mistiness clearing quite quickly for Bank Holiday Monday. And it's going to be a lovely day. We'll see the sunshine, a lot of sunshine in fact, so high UV levels. The wind will certainly be a lot lighter, which should make it feel warmer as well, and daytime temperatures will increase to around 22 Celsius.